how to add a favicon or site icon, if you're familiar with WordPress, to your SmugMug website. Favicon is short for favourite icon. It appears at the top of browsers like Internet Explorer and Google Chrome when admirers visit your site. It's like a tiny logo that helps them visually see that they have one of your pages open. The default setting with SmugMug is their smiley face SmugMug logo as your favicon or your site icon. And this can easily be changed, like I have changed my dog's website site icon or favicon. I'll show you exactly where the settings are to change your SmugMug favicon. Okay, so once you're on the photo site of your SmugMug website, if you go to customize, and then you want design settings. Here is where the favicon is, and you just click on the square which will take you through to where all your photos are stored with SmugMug, and you can just choose your photo or your logo or your favicon which you're going to use. Ideally, what you choose to go in there as your favicon or site icon, the photo or logo, wants to be a square. Now don't worry if you can't use Photoshop or you don't have an app to be able to create a square, because you can use the editor within SmugMug. Now once you have your photo or logo in there, click Save, then click Done, Publish Now. If we look in the browser, that has changed the SmugMug smiley face logo to my dog's logo now. And it's that easy to change. If you'd like to use the SmugMug editor for a photo or your logo, if you want to make it more of a square shape, then go to Organize. If you choose which photo or logo you want to work on, double click on the photo. Then you want the tools, opening editor, and here you can crop. So you can make your photo or logo more of a square shape. Then just click Close and Save, and then add it in to as your favicon. I do have more tips for your SmugMug website and a discount off any new SmugMug account. I'll put all the links in the description below in the video. I am making more videos and adding those to the channel, so if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, you'll be first to know them when I upload the videos. Thanks for watching.